Hi, hello everybody. Taiwan and China seem to be winning the fight with the virus. Why? Most likely because they have a culture of isolating and protecting. So, the most important thing is, and I think all the experts agree, is to make sure that we don't cough on anybody and don't allow anybody to cough on us. So the simplest way is to protect our face with something like a visor. How do you make a visor like that? The simplest visor are just your eyeglasses or sunglasses and the transparent A4 sheet of paper stuck together with a piece of Scotch tape. Okay? Now, if you have access to A4 sheet of paper, and there are plenty of them, you know, like presentations, booklets, things like that, you can get them in different places. Then you take an A4 sheet of paper like that, double-sided tape, scissors, possibly some duct tape or Scotch tape. Take a pair of glasses, protective glasses, right? Or sunglasses or whatever you have. Take a piece of double-sided tape, fix it here, 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 right? Put it together and you have it. Thank you very much. And don't let anybody cough on you. Don't cough on anybody. Have something to protect yourself. Thank you very much.